You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this type of chocolate. If you want to learn more chocolate names and more brand names, stay tuned, we've got tons more at the end of the video. This first word is a word from French meaning a rock. It's generally made by Ferrero, but other brands may pronounce it. In French, it's pronounced rocher. Rocher means rock in French. Rocher. CH is pronounced like SH, sh, and ER, E, a short E sound. But in English, it's generally just said with a diphthong as rocher. Rocher chocolate from French, rocher chocolate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.